All right, it's Bounty again, and this is what I call it, my prize reaper. This is a 1 week update from my last video. You see all the new foliage coming out. It's looking really dark green. That is Carolina Reaper. The rest of the garden, these are just jumping. Both of these are chocolate habaneros, and they were really small, and they've grown considerably. Squash, another row of squash, and some cherry tomatoes. They're all jumping, just moving right along. Some more cherry tomatoes. These things are 4 times as big as what they were a week ago. Same with these. They're bushing out just quite nicely. That I'm not sure if that is Scotch Brain or Dorset Naga or a couple of them, but there are 4 plants there I put together, kind of an experiment. There's a Dorset Naga. Not seeing a lot of change in them. Still kind of got like a yellow appearance to them. I'm not real sure. This one's starting to green up a little bit. It's another Dorset Naga. This one here is jumping a lot of new foliage, a chocolate habanero. It's another chocolate habanero right there. Some good new foliage starting to come up. Death Spiral, it's got a kind of a yellow tinge to it, but you see in the center it's starting to be good and green. So it's another Death Spiral. Got some good color to it. Thickening up, some good new foliage on top there. Death Spiral here. Chocolate Butla. They're all starting to green up pretty good. Some of them I was getting kind of worried about. You know, they were struggling, I guess, in what I had in the light there, between the light and what I had them potted in, and when I was growing them inside. Some of this damage that's still from a hailstorm, but that's another Chocolate Butla. Then here is one of my next Carolina Reapers, nice and strong. Same thing, another one here, nice and strong. Let's see, right here, nice and strong. Girl, you better get out of my garden, you weenie dog. But anyway, yes, you want to make sure everything, thought somebody was in the garden, come and run them off, but it was me. So who's that guy with pink hair? All right, Dorset Naga. Dorset Naga, all these starting to jump. Yeah, they look small, but you know, something's eating on them a little bit. But you see the new foliage, you see same thing there and there. Like a bird fertilized this one for me. These are chocolate demons, and those are the Scotch Brain. This is a chocolate demon too. Like something's getting in it, but you see it's got some good new foliage. So same thing with this one here on the end. You know, I've been telling myself wrong. I found out we had lost the stake that I had with a name written on it, and I found it the other day. This is a Carolina Reaper. I'm pretty sure, but I have all this written down because I was double checking. So, but it's either a you know, a chocolate demon or a Carolina Reaper. It's only one, two that I didn't know that got pulled out, and got them mixed up. But if you look at this plant, it is very familiar when you go look at the Carolina Reapers versus the leaf. The difference there. So I'm pretty sure that I'm mistaken, that I've got this mixed up, that it is a Carolina Reaper. Tomato plants are jumping. I was worried. I mean, there's so much stuff. When I put them in the ground, they were half that size, and I mean, it's a little over a week. They are really coming to life. And so, oh yeah, I did have one to die, and I had this one chewed up. This is one of my dog attacked and knocked out, scattered in the floor, and I've been trying to save it. So had a couple plants growing in the house, and my little dog decided he wanted to unravel the mystery of what was inside that cup up under the bottom of the plant in the dirt. But anyway, Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, please. Love you, mean it.